In this video, I will show you how you can enable or disable the auto rotate feature on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. As you can see, the auto rotate feature is not working on our Samsung phone. Now to enable the auto rotate feature, just simply swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, you will find this icon which says portrait mode. Just tap on it and enable auto rotate. Now after you do that, you will enable the auto rotate feature on your Samsung phone. Just like that. Now if you want to disable the auto rotate feature, then just go back to the control center and tap on the auto rotate button. But this time it will say portrait. And in portrait mode, your Samsung phone will be locked in portrait mode. Just like that. And this is how you can enable or disable the screen auto rotate feature on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.